Okay, let's see what happens when I don't try to record video on this crap-ass computer. I took a few screenshots, so it's not as good as seeing it in real time, but I will show you soon enough. And of course, if anybody has a decent computer sitting around that's not a piece of crap, I will gladly use it until I can afford another one. Of course, I have to pay to get my truck fixed first. But anyway, I digress. So, what you're looking at there, even though I've already said this before, is the audio video scriptures that automatically calculate. One day soon I'll show you the calculations of how they generate. They're basically automatically calculated by video. Well, no, not video. Well, video or audio names, which create the scripture book, chapter, and verse to scripture, chapter, and verse, or book, chapter, and verse. That's what you're looking at there. Well, you're also looking at me because I grabbed my Facebook picture instead of having video or being on video. So each one of those, and I guess I can't even point at them. That's unfortunate. But whether it's a Torah section of the Bible, a prophets section of the Bible, oh, you can't even see them. Well, that sucks. But then also what you see there is my audiovisual orbiting, floating media player that plays video and scripture. This is my prophecy calendar. It also is automatic. It has astronomical info. It has sunrise, sunset, moon phase. It has feast and festival information. It automatically calculates based on the different religious calculators, really, of the world. The Hillel calendar is, well, it's the calendar that Jesus used. The Enochian calendar is a calendar that people around the time of Jesus, both before and after, used. The Zadokian calendar is, I don't know, all the calendars are kind of complicated. If you don't know how complicated the different calendars are, then I'm not going to go into it too much. But it's kind of a big deal. As far as I know, there's not a single other app on this planet that takes into effect the mainstream Christian calendar, plus the Western Orthodox or Catholic calendars, plus the Eastern Orthodox calendars, and the Zadokian, Enochian, and Hillel calendar, which you might call the Jewish calendar. I also have a map of thousands of people that believe like I do, grouped into zip codes all over the world. And I also have, of course, you see that media player, the orbiting, floating, awesome media player, which I've talked about several times while I've been trying to record, but I don't think any of them have made it. And this one might not make it either. I also have a trivia game. You can see that You can play Team A against Team B, keep score, make it a contest, make it fun. There's about 5,000 Bible questions in there now, and there will be another 5,000 coming soon that I already have, but it takes some work. And then also you see on the right hand side, my media player is a video player too. So I'm telling you, I'm really proud of that media player. I also have articles that I've written. That's just an example that you're looking at right now of one of my many articles, as well as my many Bible studies and commentaries, and I've written a lot of stuff. This is my DCast, my podcast, my teaching section. This is my commentary section. This is just another view of my prophecy calendar, which always tells what the very next feast day, festival day, holy day, uh, festival of the Lord day is going to be. And the calendar also has Christian holidays, what I would call mainstream Christian or even Catholic holidays, which I don't, which I know 100% are not even biblical, but I digress. Now you can't even see these. This is some automatic stuff that you can't even see. I thought this would be visible. That's some chapter outlines. I have chapter outlines for every single section of the Read the Bible of the Year. This is some subsections. All of this stuff too is completely automatic. It's JSON driven. When the week changes, all of this stuff automatically changes, including all of the Olive Tav scriptures. But again, it's another view of the map, and another view of, I guess, what I call the main stage scriptures. This is a view of my scripture cards. So every scripture card, I mean, you're going to see there's a lot of stuff on here. A lot of stuff on here. And a lot of repeat of stuff. Shoot, yep, looks like I've already gone. Yeah, I've already gone around the images I took. I have more stuff to share, but I'm getting there. I have to do it in small chunks.